Here I'm on the road from Bhawali to Nainital, and this is a road which leads to Nainital here. And here I'm standing here among the dense forest. You can see here the sun is shining on half of the mountains. Half the mountains is illuminated with the sun's rays, and half is in shade. Right? You can see this pine tree, beautiful. The top half is illuminated with the sun's rays, and the bottom half is in
Shade.
shade. So this is beautiful Nainital. I hope you come and visit this beautiful, as we say, Dev Bhumi. Interesting. I am in the lap of Mother Nature. Thank you.
And you came on the damn bike?
I was with Amit sir. Thank you so much, Amit sir, for bringing me to
And
this
now you
wonderful
can
place.
hop on the
I
bike also,
enjoyed.
and you
So
can
this
give a
is
nice
the bike
pose.
with Amit sir. It's a Bajaj Pulsar, and I enjoy it. Thank you, Amit sir.
Really, thank you very much, Digama sir. Thank you so much for your kind consideration, I would rather say.
Jal.